Hey, how you doing? I am Jason with Intectural, and we are gonna put another coat of CUTEK on this deck. So CUTEK is a penetrating oil. So we coated this deck with a clear CUTEK on all 6 sides, put it in, and we've been waiting to put the final coat with the color tone in it, but it has lightened over time, which I like that lighten a little bit. And so we're just gonna add on top of this. We'll get this stirred up and we'll give it a shot. So I've got the color tone here and we are gonna add it to 1 gallon. So you just add the whole thing in there. There's a lot of different color tones depending on what you want your boards to look like. This is a gold tone here. Take a stick, you can see I've used an offcut here that I've got, and you're gonna stir it. And you're likely gonna wanna stir it a couple of times throughout the process. You really wanna mix it in there, stir from the bottom. And as you see the color tone settle a little bit, just give it another stir as you go throughout your project. So I am just using a roller here. You can use a brush or you can use a stain pad. Any of those will work just fine. One of the things with a penetrating oil is you wanna do light coats here. You don't wanna put it on too thick. It's better to do a couple of light coats than it is to do 1 thick coat. And the other thing is you just wanna find a week where you get a few dry days at the end. So the penetrating oil will continue to penetrate into the wood over time, and you want that sun and that heat to dry it out and continue to move that oil through the boards to get the best protection. Well, that looks pretty nice. It brought a lot of life back into the boards. You can see that gold tone kind of coming through, and that gold tone is going to help protect against UV over time. Took about 20 minutes to get that going. We got about a 200 square foot deck. That's going to be about a half a gallon. A gallon of CUTEK will cover about 400 to 500 square feet, depending on the wood you've got. But there you go. I'm going to let it sit for a couple of days. I'm going to put the furniture back on it, and it'll be good to go for the summer.